Welcome back to channel today. We're diving into a hidden treasure you could easily miss in your pocket change. What if I told you a simple 1960 D Lincoln 1-cent penny could be worth millions of dollars? Stick around to find out why this coin is so valuable and what to look for in your own collection. First, let's talk about the basics. The Lincoln Cent series began in 1909 and has become one of the most iconic coins in U.S. history. In 1960, the Denver Mint produced millions of these pennies, but there's something special about certain 1960 D Lincoln cents that could make them worth a fortune. So, what makes a 1960 D Lincoln cent potentially worth millions? It all comes down to a rare minting error known as the large date and small date variety. The U.S. Mint made two versions of this penny in 1960, one with a large date and one with a small date. If you find the right combination of errors, your penny could be worth serious money. Take a look at this comparison. On the left, you see the large date variety, where the numbers in 1960 are bold and larger. On the right, the small date has thinner, more compact numbers. Now, if you find a small date variety on a 1960 D penny, you're looking at a rare find. Another key feature that can make your 1960 D penny worth millions is the repunched mint mark or RPM. This occurs when the mint mark was stamped more than once, creating a visible shadow or doubling of the D under magnification. If your penny shows this RPM error, you could have a rare and valuable coin in your hands. Now, let's talk about the money. A typical 1960 D penny might only be worth a few cents in regular condition. But, a rare small date with RPM or error coins in mint condition have sold for thousands, and in some cases, even up to $1 million at auctions. The condition of the coin plays a huge role in determining its value, so check for wear and tear. So how can you tell if your 1960 D penny is worth millions? First, get a magnifying glass or coin loupe and check for the small date variety. Then, closely inspect the mint mark D for any signs of the RPM error. If you think you've got a valuable coin, consider getting it professionally graded by organizations like PCGS or NGC to confirm its value. If you're a coin collector or just curious about valuable pennies, always keep an eye on your change and old coin collections. The 1960 D Lincoln penny is a prime example of how even the smallest details can make a big difference in value. Who knows, your next penny find could be a jackpot. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to channel for more rare coin videos. Don't forget to comment below if you found any rare 1960 D pennies, or let us know what coins you'd like us to cover next. We're uncovering the secrets behind this elusive and valuable coin, what makes it special, how to spot one, and why collectors are willing to pay a fortune for it. Let's dive in. Image of a standard Lincoln penny from 1970, with the D mint mark highlighted asterisk. The 1970 D Lincoln 1-cent penny, minted in Denver, may seem like an ordinary coin at first glance. But as with many valuable coins, there's more to it than meets the eye. This particular penny is sought after by collectors for a few key reasons: its rarity, condition, and specific errors or varieties that make it worth thousands, and in rare cases, even millions. Zoom in on a mint error chart, showcasing the double die obverse, DDO, error, and a high-grade penny asterisk. Not every 1970 D penny is valuable. So what makes some of them worth so much? The key lies in their condition and, most importantly, rare errors like the double die obverse or DDO. This error happens when the coin is struck twice by the die, causing slight doubling in the lettering, numbers, or details on the obverse, front, side of the coin. Side-by-side comparison of a regular 1970 D penny and one with a visible DDO error asterisk. Look closely at the date, 1970, and the word Liberty. If you notice any doubling in these areas, you might be holding a valuable coin. These errors are extremely rare, making them highly desirable for collectors. An expert inspecting a penny under magnification, then transitioning to a grading scale, asterisk condition is another critical factor. A 1970 D penny in poor condition will likely only be worth face value. But if it's in mint state condition, meaning it looks almost brand new, with no wear and tear, its value skyrockets. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with 70 being perfect. The higher the grade, the more collectors are willing to pay. Some of these coins in high grades, like MS-67 or MS-68, have been known to sell for thousands of dollars. Auction footage with a hammer slamming down, followed by a headline about record-breaking coin sales asterisk. Now, you might be wondering, how much can a 1970 D penny actually sell for? Well, in the world of coin collecting, rare and high-grade pennies have been auctioned for astonishing prices. For example, in recent years, a 1970 penny in pristine condition with a double die obverse sold for over $20,000. Some coins with more pronounced errors or nearly perfect conditions could fetch even higher bids, potentially reaching into the millions. Step-by-step guide showing a hand examining a penny with a magnifying glass *. So, how can you tell if your 1970 penny is worth millions? Here's a quick checklist. 1. Check for the mint mark *. Make sure the coin has the D mint mark, indicating it was minted in Denver. 2. Look for doubling *. Carefully examine the date and the word Liberty for any signs of doubling. 3. Inspect the condition *. The coin should be in excellent or mint condition to command top prices. 4. Get it graded *. If you believe you have a valuable penny, send it to a professional grading service to get an official rating. A hand placing a 1970 penny into a protective coin holder, with a collection in the background *. While the odds of finding a $1 million 1970 penny are slim, they aren't impossible. Millions of these coins were minted, and you never know when one might pop up in your change or collection. Keep an eye out for these key details, and who knows? You could be the next person to cash in on a forgotten treasure. Exciting background music as the screen transitions to show a penny next to a question mark *. Have you checked your pennies lately? You might be holding onto a fortune without even knowing it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to stay updated on all things coin collecting. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your hunt for rare coins. The 1970 penny spinning again, followed by the channel logo and a subscribe button animation *. We're going to talk about a 1980 Lincoln 1-cent penny that could be sitting in your pocket right now and be worth millions. So, what makes the 1980 Lincoln 1-cent penny so special? Is it just an ordinary penny, or could it be a life-changing treasure? Let's take a closer look. The coin is zoomed in, showing the mint mark and design *. The 1980 Lincoln penny was minted in 2 locations, Philadelphia, no mint mark, and Denver, D mint mark. In general, these coins were mass-produced with billions minted, making them very common. But as we know, sometimes the most valuable coins aren't just about rarity, they can be about errors, condition, and unique traits. List appearing on screen with bullet points for mint mark, errors, high grade, and special traits. *. So, what makes a 1980 penny worth millions? There are a few things to look out for. Coins with errors in the mint mark or missing mint marks are super valuable. A misprinted D or S or a missing mint mark can drastically raise the value. If your 1980 penny is in perfect or near perfect condition, it could be graded by professional coin graders like PCGS or NGC as MS67 or higher. In those top grades, even a common coin can be worth thousands or more. Always check your penny for doubling on the date, mint mark, or lettering. A double die coin is where parts of the image or text are stamped twice, and these errors make the coin extremely valuable. Zoom in on the coin, showing how to inspect for double die errors and mint mark variations. * Footage of auction houses and online listings showcasing high-grade 1980 pennies selling for thousands. * Did you know that some 1980 Lincoln pennies have sold at auction for tens of thousands of dollars? And some error pennies have even fetched over $1 million. Display of auction records for 1980 Lincoln pennies. * In one example, a 1980 penny with a rare error sold for over $50,000. Now, imagine if you found one of these in your pocket change, it could be the ultimate payday. So, how can you tell if your 1980 penny is worth something? Here are a few easy steps. 1. Look for the mint mark. Does it have a D or is it missing? Any strange or unique characteristics. 2. Examine for errors. Look closely for double die or off-center strikes. 3. Check the condition. Is your penny shiny with no scratches? You might have a high-grade coin. Step-by-step footage of someone inspecting a 1980 penny using a magnifying glass. * Okay, so you found a penny that might be worth big bucks. What's next? First, get it professionally graded to determine its true value. Companies like PCGS and NGC can give you an official grade, which helps in determining how much you could sell it for. After it's graded, you can choose to sell it through an auction house or online platforms like eBay. Just remember, the higher the grade and rarer the coin, the more money you could make. Who knew a simple penny from 1980 could be worth millions? So, the next time you're going through your change, keep an eye out for one of these rare finds. You never know what treasure could be in your hand. That's it for today, coin hunters. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a chance to learn about hidden treasures that could be in your pocket right now. We're diving into a coin that's taking collectors by storm, the 2008 no-mint mark Lincoln 1-cent penny. Could it really be worth millions? You bet it can. So, stay tuned because you could be holding one of these valuable coins in your pocket right now. Let's start with the basics. The 2008 Lincoln 1-cent penny was part of the last series of pennies before the famous Lincoln Bicentennial designs came in 2009. It features the classic Lincoln profile on the front and the Lincoln Memorial on the back. Now, most 2008 pennies were minted either in Philadelphia or Denver. The Philadelphia coins don't carry a mint mark, which is why the no mint mark isn't necessarily rare, or is it? We'll get to that soon. So, why are some of these pennies selling for so much money? It all comes down to minting errors and pristine condition. Collectors are hunting for coins that are in perfect condition. This means being graded as mint state, MS 67 or higher by professional grading companies like PCGS or NGC. A penny that's been perfectly preserved without scratches, discoloration, or wear can bring in thousands of dollars at auction. But there's more. Now, what if I told you that some 2008 pennies could be worth millions due to rare errors? That's right. Here are some of the key minting mistakes that collectors are willing to pay a premium for. This is where the design is accidentally stamped twice, creating a ghost-like effect. If you spot doubling, especially on Lincoln's face or the lettering, you might have hit the jackpot. If your 2008 penny looks like it wasn't stamped in the center, that's called an off-center strike error. The more off-center, the more valuable it can be. These are cracks that appear on the die during the minting process. Sometimes, this results in raised lines or blobs on the coin, making it highly collectible. So, you've gone through your collection and found a 2008 no-mint mark penny. Now what? How do you know if it's worth a fortune? First, you'll want to carefully inspect your coin for any of the errors we just talked about. If you think you've got a valuable penny, the next step is to have it professionally graded by PCGS or NGC. They will assign your coin a grade based on its condition and rarity. A higher grade means a higher value. Coins graded MS67 or MS68 are extremely rare and could fetch hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars. Just last year, a collector found a 2008 no-mint mark penny in mint condition that sold for over $10,000 at auction. And with the right minting error, some pennies have gone for well over $1 million. Who knew that a simple penny could be worth so much? If you have a 2008 no-mint mark Lincoln penny lying around, now's the time to take a closer look. You might just be sitting on a hidden fortune. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Comment below if you've ever found a rare penny in your collection. I'd love to hear your stories. We're uncovering the mystery behind the 2018 D Lincoln 1-cent penny. You might be wondering, could this penny really be worth millions? Let's find out. The seemingly ordinary penny with the D mint mark, minted in Denver, may look like just another coin you'd find in your change. But some rare variations of this coin have made headlines, and if you're lucky enough to find the right one, it could fetch you a fortune at auction. The Lincoln cent has been a staple of American currency since 1909, designed to honor the legacy of President Abraham Lincoln. Over the years, collectors have sought after various minting errors, rare variations, and even pristine conditions of these coins. But what makes the 2018 D penny so special? Let's break it down. To understand why this penny could be worth big money, we need to look at a few key factors: errors, rarity, and condition. Coins that have minting errors are often the most valuable. These errors can range from double die strikes, off-center strikes, or even planchet issues. And the 2018 D penny? It's no exception. Now, while most 2018 D pennies aren't going to make you a millionaire, certain error pennies have caught the eye of collectors and experts alike. Imagine finding a penny with a double die error, where the image on the coin is stamped twice, creating a slight doubling effect. This can make the coin much more desirable and valuable. But it's not just about errors. The condition of the coin is crucial. Pennies that are graded in mint state condition, especially with a high MS grade like MS67 or MS68, can bring in thousands at auction. In fact, in 2019, one 2018 D penny in MS68 condition sold for a shocking $2,400. And some experts predict that, as more time passes, these values could increase even more. To make sure your penny is in top condition, consider getting it professionally graded by companies like PCGS or NGC. The better the condition, the higher the value. So, how can you identify whether your 2018 D penny is one of these rare and valuable ones? Here are a few things to look for. Check for any noticeable minting errors like doubling on the design or off-center strikes. Examine the condition of the coin. Does it have scratches or damage, or does it look pristine? Consider sending it to a professional coin grading service to see if it qualifies for a high MS grade. And don't forget, always inspect your coins with a magnifying glass or a jeweler's loupe. Sometimes, these small details are hard to spot with the naked eye. As of now, the 2018 D penny hasn't reached the multi-million-dollar mark, but as coin collecting grows and more rare versions surface, the sky's the limit for how much they could be worth. So, the next time you come across a 2018 D penny, don't toss it aside. It could be hiding a secret that's worth more than you ever imagined. Have you found any rare coins in your collection? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more rare coin discoveries. Who knows, the next treasure could be in your pocket. End credits with call to action to subscribe, like, and comment. * show close-ups of the coin, zooming in on potential error spots. Use clear text and arrows to highlight important details about the coin. Ask viewers to share their coin collecting stories or show off their own rare finds in the comments section, while keeping it fun and engaging. Make sure to deliver information in a clear and concise way to build authority and trust with your audience.